Make sure I got plenty of water for tonight. It's a long tradition that you have to burn at least one thing when winter camping, and I think it was my water bottle. It's got like a goiter. I set it near the fire to keep it from freezing and got it a little too close. Yeah, I better take care of that. It's my only water bottle on this trip. Now let's see how the bird's doing. Looking good. All right, let's check on the charcoal. See, the bottom of the lid is covered in wood tar. Starting to come along. Little jar of gravy here.